Hey, I recently got a new smartwatch, among other things, to be able to show my heart rate on stream. For that to work, however, the watch needs to connect to my PC. That is why I got myself a USB dongle, and I thought, plug it in, connect the watch, we're ready to go. Think again. So even though I set my watch to broadcast my heart rate, and even though the dongle had a blue light on, the watch did not connect. That is because the USB dongle didn't work and did not have a Bluetooth connection. If you're wondering whether this is also the case for you, because some of your Bluetooth devices, like for example headphones, aren't connecting with your PC, just open your device manager like I did here, and have a look at whether you have a category called other devices. And other devices, it has this weird number of BCM 2070-2A0. Even if you say update driver in here and say automatically search for drivers, it might not be able to install the driver. So what you then have to do is Google exactly this weird name and download the driver from one of the different driver websites that show up. After that, you just say update driver, but instead of saying search automatically, just say browse my computer for drivers. And then you need to find the location where you downloaded your driver. In my case, it has already remembered that from when I did it this first time. Say next. And then hopefully Windows will show you this message where you can see that Windows recognizes that this is actually a Bluetooth device. So we say close. You might need to restart the software, but as soon as you start it, you should now be able to see your watch showing up here. This goes for all Bluetooth devices that need to connect with a USB adapter that you plug into your computer. This problem is down to Windows not realizing that the USB dongle, the USB adapter, is actually a Bluetooth adapter. So if you have any problems connecting any other Bluetooth devices, like for example your headphones to your PC, this should also help you with solving the problem. If you're here because you have the Garmin watch as well and want to show your heart rate or stress levels on stream, you can now make a few settings in the Garmin Str3AMUP software. As soon as you've done your settings, you click on Create Overlay. Hop over into OBS, like I just did. You can see my own OBS setup here. That's what I use when I'm streaming on Twitch. In your scene where you want to show the heart rate, add window source. Or window capture. You can call it what you want. I will call it heart rate. And now for me, it already suggests the Str3AMUP window that shows the heart rate. If it does not, you should be able to pick it from the list over here. To get rid of the green background, we right-click on the source, click on filters, and we now add the filter that is called color key. If it does not pick the green background color by just picking green, you can always click on custom color, select color, pick screen color, and then just click out here. And now the green background color should disappear. And now you just have to decide where to put your heart rate on stream. There we go. It says 84 on my watch, and it says, well, now it says 82. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like so that it can be helpful for others as well, and maybe consider to leave a follow. Thanks for watching. What is he actually hunting? Maybe I should have researched that. Okay, hold on.